Good evening, and thank you for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Ann Trujillo.
And I'm Jacqueline Allen. Anti-vaccine advocates have preached about it being their medical freedom not to get vaccinated, but some are taking that passion too far.
Jeffco Public Health says several of its vaccine clinics were recently vandalized. Denver 7's Russell Haythorne spoke to their director of health, who says this will not stop their mission.
Frustrations that have been boiling over recently came to a head this weekend in Jefferson and Gilpin counties.
These are criminal behaviors.
Jeffco's director of public health, Dr. Don Comstock, had to shut down several of these mobile vaccine clinics after one driver ran over their sign. Others screamed profanities at the vaccine staff, and one driver even threw water on a nurse.
Unfortunately, this isn't new. We've had someone throw live fireworks into the vaccination clinic tent. We've had someone drive up onto a curb toward a vaccination staff member.
Comstock says she's fed up.
I respect every person's right to their own opinion. What I do not respect is violence and contempt, acting abusively toward Jefferson County Public Health staff.
Jefferson County Public Health has been ground zero recently for pushback from the public about mask orders and other COVID restrictions.
I'm a mom of 3 kids, and I truly believe that masking a child is child abuse.
Of the harassment at vaccine sites, the Jefferson County Sheriff's Department said today it is aware of instances of bad behavior and it has increased patrols around the sites. The statement goes on to say our investigations have not resulted in criminal charges, but the sheriff will continue to investigate any threats and will file appropriate charges against individuals if warranted. Comstock says she's seen enough.
I'm tired of being polite and calling it misinformation. It's time to call it what it is. It is lies. And those lies are leading to enduring suffering and loss for our community.
Russell Haythorne, Denver 7.
For some context, attacks on healthcare workers are so out of control, Colorado now allows public health employees to remove their online information to prevent doxing. Tri-County Health has seen its offices vandalized and its workers threatened to the point of hiring armed security. Melissa Sager with Tri-County tells us it's gotten even worse now that school is back in session.
Everything from attacks on social media when we put out educational materials, cursing, threats, death threats, doxing, posting of addresses, protests. You mentioned that we have armed security at our facilities now because it's necessary. I've mentioned really public health work being villainized, and people have taken that to heart and are taking action against public health. And it's sometimes it's violent and dangerous and scary.
Public health agencies are represented by the Colorado Association of Local Public Health Officials, or CALFO. We spoke today with their executive director, Kara Bradbury, and she told us some departments take more heat than others, but morale is low across the board.
It's very, distressing, I guess, when you are feeling like your whole aim was to make your community stronger, make your community better, and then you have folks in your community that don't see the value in what you're doing.
And listen, if you're still hesitant about getting the vaccine, the state released new data today that they say proves the vaccine is working effectively in our state. There is a new vaccine breakthrough dashboard, which compares COVID cases among people who are vaccinated and those who are not. Now, per the dashboard, for the week of August 22nd, there were 96 cases per 100,000 people among vaccinated people. And for the unvaccinated, that number is 327 cases per 100,000 people. They also looked at hospitalizations. For the week of August 15th, there were 3 hospitalizations per 100,000 people among those who are vaccinated, compared to 13 hospitalizations among unvaccinated people.
It's not just vaccines that have created some controversy. We've seen protests across the Front Range all summer long over mask mandates in schools. Well, now new data shows Colorado has some of the strongest opposition to mask mandates in the country. Denver 7's Gary Brode sifted through the info for you.
If it feels like we're seeing more and more of this, parents opposing masks in schools, well, it's because Colorado is one of a handful of states leading the way to get rid of them. Here's the numbers to prove it. According to a new survey by Axios and Momentive, Colorado is the 4th strongest opposition from parents. Iowa sits at the top of the list. And as we all know, The mask issue has given the two political parties yet another reason to disagree. And so here you go, 56% of Republicans nationwide are against any mask mandate in the schools. Compare that to just 4% of Democrats. So with that being said, it may surprise you, states like Florida and Texas, very right-leaning states, are not at the top of the school mask disapproval list, especially since those states got rid of mask mandates before the rest of the country. Well, get this, that same survey compared Republicans in Texas to those living here in Colorado. 24% more conservative Coloradans didn't want any mask mandates in schools. I'm Gary Brode for Denver 7.
The